everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1963 Ford F100. Super fun truck, guys. I originally sold this truck, I think it was like 5 or 6 years ago, to a gentleman out of Ohio. But I originally bought it from a buddy of mine. It was his shop truck. Wicked cool build, guys. You can see it's finished in that hot rod black or that flat black. It's got very nice interior on it, very comfortable seat. It's up to, I think he said it's got, yeah, I know odometer. It's got 16,000 miles on the build. Doug, the gentleman I bought it from, back from, he put 11,000 miles on this truck in the time that he owned it, and his exact words were 0 problems. And matter of fact, I'll tell you this, when I bought this truck from my buddies down in Lebanon, Tennessee, my son and I jumped in it, cruised, which is about a 45-minute drive on the expressway to downtown Nashville. It's got cruise control, the cruise works, the air works. This thing ran at 80 miles an hour down there, and we drove it all over Broadway and 2nd Street, and just a killer truck. I jumped in it the other day, took it to lunch. It still drives just as good. Very cool truck, guys. You can see it's finished in, again, that hot rod black. It's got the custom pinstriping and scallops on it. You can see they replaced the grill, the bumpers. See if we can get that guy to park somewhere. Again, bumpers are new. Really cool truck. They put a front subframe on it. Truck's lowered down all the way around. Like I say, drives great. You see new front windshield. Very cool interior in it. I'll tell you what, a real conversation piece, guys. You drive this thing, like I said, when I drove it to lunch, I mean, you got 10 people talking to you about it. Yes, the bike goes with it. He put this in there. He carried a different one in it when he drove it, and when we got to talk when I was trying to buy it back, I says, "Does the bike go with it?" He said, "Not this one, but I'll put another one in there." So this bike will go with the truck. Hey, his only request on the truck, he said, "Hey, make sure a good guy gets this truck, man." He goes, "This is a fun truck to drive." I just think it's got a killer look. Like I say, it runs and drives excellent. Stuff like this is so fun to drive. It's got the radial white walls on it with the powder-coated steel wheels. I love those big shotgun tips out the back. Just another cool, feature on the truck. Oh, it's missing a little cap. I've ordered it too, guys. This thing is so fun to drive. Again, these are so popular because you put your name on it, becomes a 100% write-off. You own a business, and they become a 100% write-off, guys. Again, does have a front subframe on it with power steering and disc brakes. GM crate engine. Again, it's got 16,000 miles on the build now. Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock intakes. Got the old style ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Does have air blows ice cold. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Cruise control, the cruise control works. 350 automatic trans. Aluminum radiator. It's got a cool feature in here too. It's got a little push button. It's got a little squirter out front, so when your buddies are standing in front of the truck, you can literally push a button and it'll squirt water at them. Insulated the hood. This thing's just got a killer look, man. Again, if you don't like the shop rags on it, what people, I think it's called, I think they put oven cleaner on it to take that off, and you can put your own name on it. Little streak on there if you see it. I don't know if you're going to actually see it or not, but they actually make a product that actually cleans this paint. We don't have any of it right now, although I've actually used Pledge too. Dual chrome mirrors, new door handles. He's Rhino-lined your steps, so yep, you can step on them. It's made the truck very user-friendly. Rhino-lined the bed, very comfortable seat, I will tell you that. Tilt, cruise, electric fan under there, plug in for your iPhone. There's a little button underneath for your to scroll through your gauges and stuff, your digital odometer. It's got a moon tack. Aftermarket gauges, air blows cold, radio works. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got, I can't remember the rear end of this thing. I'll make sure I get to the app, but it's not a big gear. Definitely something you can cruise. Expressway speeds. Clean underneath. Fun truck, man. I love stuff like this. Patina, flat black. Big fan of this stuff. You don't spend a whole lot of time cleaning it. I'll tell you that. Dusty in there. Spend more time driving, less time cleaning. I'll tell you that. Oh, I've ordered new Ford mats for it. They're on the way. Cool little stickers on it. Just a fun truck, man. Really fun. Hear that thing fire up, man? It does that every time. Turn the key, fires right up. Just kicks your air on, it blows nice and cold. I wouldn't be afraid to get this truck and go anywhere. It hits the road awesome. Great look. I love old trucks as it is, man. They are so cool. Like I say, a lot of fun to drive. Tach works, gauges are functional. Yeah, 16,000, what is that, 710? That's what's on the build. Doors open and close nice. Love those big shotgun tips, man.
Now only $439, but hurry.
Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and shut real good. Just a good truck, man. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Cool truck, man. If I showed you the bed, it's all hammer coated in the bed. Got a great stance. Again, caps on the way.